So we're here to harvest the collard greens. Collard greens can take a frost and they can take cold weather all the way down to 16 degrees. But I'm going to cut out as many as I can, and I'm going to feel real good about delivering them to people that need them. We've set up a free market. We've got a free market that a young man is running, and so I've been taking these to him for the last 4 weeks, and people also have been coming up and picking them. I think that we served a lot of collards at Thanksgiving, that people ate a lot of them, and so it's kind of nice to know that people know they're here, and they're coming to pick them. So next year, our intention will be to grow. Put it like this: we're using an antique planter. It's called a John Deere 290 planter, and we've got a small seed adapter, so we're going to be able to grow cabbage, turnips, mustard, okra by putting them in the planter. And that way we can fertilize and plant at the same time. So we're really looking forward to seeing how that works for us. So it'll be less labor intensive. We're trying to become more efficient, even with antique equipment, and we're hoping that happens. Now, you can see that the fields are pretty much plowed. I plowed them up late in the summer so that we would be ready to go in the spring. So I've got some real good advisors, church members from Fellowship Missionary Church that helped me devise the plan for how we're going to raise the garden from year to year. So I used the Florida weave method to grow the tomatoes this year, and one of the parishioners from the church advised me to dig trenches with the tractor, and that's what I did. And we put our compost material into trenches, and it worked real well. We were able to grow a real nice tomato crop using that method, and so we're looking forward to next year to growing more tomatoes. So I think we grew about 800 plants, and then this year we're going to try to double that. So we'll have about 1,600 tomato plants, and you'll say, well, my God, where are you going to put them? Well, we got plenty of space. We got plenty of space to put. We'll put them on the hill there. We'll put them over here to my left, and then we're going to put them down here down the road as well. So we've been delivering. We've had some landscapers deliver some grass and leaves and things like that. So we'll have plenty of compost material to work into the ground. We're natural growers out here, and so we don't use a lot of pesticides. If we do, they're botanical in nature. So these greens were sprayed right before the frost came, and then the frost eliminated insects naturally. And so that's how we garden out here in a natural way.